Minute Tuesday, and I've got some more collage and swatching and cutting paper up and gluing it down. So let's go watch. This is one of my favorite things to do. I love cutting up paper, painted paper, stamped paper, gluing it down, and just seeing what happens. It gives it a little bit more organization than the loose papers that are flying all around my studio, and it looks like I have something that I planned. But I actually didn't. I just sort of went with it, and it always turns out to be a lot of fun. That's it for 2 Minute Tuesday. I really appreciate you joining me here today. Again, you know, this is YouTube. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it.